Hi there, and welcome to the first of a 33-part series showing you step-by-step how to create a working prototype of Traffic Department 2192. We'll spend the first 2 hours studying the original game files with a hex editor and disassembler. We'll build several utilities in C that convert the custom graphics assets to bitmaps with the help of SDL. We'll also study non-graphics assets using Python scripts to understand how we can use them in our prototype. The next 2 hours of our journey focus on design. We'll build a casual design document in PowerPoint that will be our guide during programming. Our final 3 hours has us working in GameMaker Studio, a commercial game engine specializing in 2D applications and is available free from Yo-Yo Games. You will see every line of code that goes into the final product. I make a conscious effort to solve similar problems in different ways, and much of the code you see is first pass. We don't spend time refactoring or building clever abstractions, even though there's plenty of opportunity for it. I always try to explain the code in at least a conceptual or pseudocode level as I type, and my typing is sped up at least double time in order to minimize dead space. You will see mistakes. I'm human and I make plenty of them. We'll see compiler errors, crashes, and many other weird things. I'll prove many times over that cutting and pasting a code block will create bugs. But bugs are a learning opportunity, and I don't shy away from dealing with them. This project is targeted at late beginners or early intermediates. You should have some experience with projects on the order of 1,000 lines of code or more. I'll throw out terms like priority queue, hoping that you instinctively understand the situations where those are useful. You don't have to know how to implement anything in particular without references, though. This isn't a job interview or a university exam. My personal goal here is to create a tutorial for a true mid-sized programming project that's doable in a reasonable amount of time. And finally, please learn something and pass on what you know.